All right, so we're gonna stop by this little creek lake thing here. Creek runs in, sort of pulls out into like a little lake or a little pond kind of deal. Creek goes out, there's a little dam. Pretty nice little scene. Never really been here before. Well, I've been here once, but it was cold. So we're gonna see if we can't catch anything. Oh, fish on, baby. We got one. That was unexpected. Did not expect that at all. Little guy right there on the Ned Wacky rig. Right there. All right, nice. Little creek pond thing here on the Ned Wacky. I'll take it. All right, so ultralight rod, just using the Ned Wacky rig. Got a little guy, been here about 30 minutes. Pretty cool place. Little dude, little bass, grabbed it, and yeah, I got it. First fish ever out of this spot here, so I'll count that as a win. It was a fun little catch on the ultralight. So if you like content like this, don't forget to sub, leave a thumbs up, go out there, have fun, and I'll catch you all later.